Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a video on all of this makeup. This is the Makeup Forever collection that I got. I cashed in my rewards at Sephora and I got this collection here. So it comes with 3 eyeshadow colors, 1 lip and eye primer, 1 lip liner, matte lipstick, and it comes with some foundations. Now I'm not going to be doing the foundations today. I will do the foundations in another video, but I am doing 4 of these products, and I will let you know whether it's worth your money or not. Makeup Forever is a top-of-the-line brand, and a lot of people get really excited when they come across these top-of-the-line brands. But unfortunately, the God-honest truth is I have not had great or good experiences with Makeup Forever. So let's go ahead and cross our fingers and hope that these products are good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you each one. So let's go ahead and just jump to that video. Okay guys, I'm going to start off with the eye primer here. This says Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is a lip and eye primer. So when it comes out of the tube, it is a very white color. Go ahead and just put this all over. Okay, this feels very, very different. This feels like a very, very thick, creamy consistency. This actually dries extremely quick. That is dry, and it's only been a few seconds. Let's go ahead and move over to the eyeshadows. I'm going to be trying their Artist Color Shadow. Like up close, you see they're very glittery. These 2 are very glittery, and it's just a matte. So let's go ahead and see if these are as pretty as they look. This is actually like a transition, has a pinch of brown color. I'm gonna use that as a transition color. So let's cross our fingers. It's just a wash of color. Comparing both eyes, you can see it's just a pinch of color. I'm gonna take that gold shimmery color and put it in the crease. It's almost like the eyeshadow gives you the illusion. I mean, you can see how glittery it is on top. I almost feel like they put like a layer of glitter on top to fool you, thinking it's really glittery, when it's really not super glittery. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the burgundy color, and I want you guys to see this. I am like digging in these eyeshadows. But that's not really like a lot of pigment. For as much as I dug in this eyeshadow, it should have been a whole lot more than this. Okay, to make this color, or to make my eyeshadow pop a little bit more, because I find that it's a tad bit bland, I'm gonna put some 6 in the City in my crease, in my eye right there. So it looks like this is by ColourPop. You know that they're about $5. Sometimes they go on sale, BOGO 2 for $5. But you can just see just this one color, how much more pigmented and shiny this is in comparison to those other eyeshadows I just put on. Look at that. Okay, so this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil is in the number 606 Wherever Walnut. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Now, personally, guys, I don't like pencils that I have to sharpen. I like retractable pencils, but let's go ahead and see if this formula is worth the money. I think the Wet n Wild $2.99 gel retractable lip liners are better than this, because look, like not much product really comes out. It's kind of like you have to really push. Now, the last product we're going to be trying is one of their lipsticks here. This is the Artist Liquid Matte in color 105. Artist Liquid Matte. I guess it's just 105. Let's go ahead and try it on with this lip liner that it came with. Kind of a pale purple on me. See if I can add some dimension with this lip liner. Not a huge difference. I'm gonna grab one of these Wet n Wild gel lip liners that I was talking about. This is in the color 661D, Lay Down the Mauves, and I'm gonna deepen this a little bit. And you also can see how much smoother and easier these are to work with. Look at that. One time, boom. Made it a little bit darker. Okay guys, so what do I think of this set? Honestly, besides the fact that I don't know what the eyeshadow primer is gonna do, I will check in later and tell you guys whether the eyeshadow primer was worth it. Besides that, I don't even know where to start. So I think these eyeshadows, for example, they swatch beautifully when you actually put your finger in them and dig in there. Look how much comes out, right? So I feel like these two, for them to be that pigmented, you have to really use your fingers to apply them to your skin. I mean, to apply them to your eyes. I think that the product does not pick up as much when you're using a brush, but most of us like to use a brush. Not all of us, but most of us like to use a brush. They do feel creamy. They're just not that pigmented. I feel like I want an eyeshadow that I dip in, boom, it's on the eye. I don't have to like fiddle with it so much or dip my brush 20 times. Lip pencil. I think it's a little bit too hard. The lip color, well, this is just a basic liquid lip like any other liquid lip out there. I didn't prefer the color, but I'm not saying anything bad about it. I will check in a tad bit and let you guys know whether the actual eyeshadow primer is worth it or not. I don't know, but I will let you guys know. But so far, I'm gonna give most of these products a thumbs down. I know you guys get really excited when you Makeup Forever, when it's an expensive makeup brand, but I don't think that I should have to work so hard to get what I need out of a product that cost me so much money. Anyways, I will see you guys in a bit and let you guys know whether this eyeshadow primer was worth it. Okay guys, so it's been over 8 hours now. Let's go ahead and look at the eye makeup. There's no creasing going on, so I'm actually gonna say this eye primer is pretty darn good. But the other products, unfortunately, I'm still gonna have to give them a thumbs down. I will try the foundation on out later on this week, hopefully, and let you guys know if that's worth it. I'm Christina Marie, I'm out, bye.